Hello guys, today I am going to show you in how to make Instagram account private. But remember, your account must be a personal account to follow these steps because professional account will just show you like this. So, if you have a professional account, this is how you switch it. You can skip this step if you already have a personal account. So go to your profile, tap the three lines, tap Settings, scroll down, and tap Preferences. And tap Switch Account Type and switch to Personal Account. After doing that, you can see it is back already to Personal Account. So let's go and make the account on Private. Go again to your profile icon. Tap the three lines here and tap Settings. On this part, tap the Privacy. Here under Privacy, tap Private Account. And that's it. A very easy way to make your account on private. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.